Hey everyone, Graphite Force here. Today with another video about how to draw. Now, right here I have a little sketch that I was drawing another day. So, first of all, sketchbooks are incredibly useful things. You can use them to your advantage doing many different things. You can use them to work on specific areas, like let's say you wanted to draw an eye, but you won't because you need to work on your eyes and you're just drawing from memory like this, it might not turn out too great. See, like this is not amazing. The main thing is that I don't have a reference right now. Now, when we're talking about sketchbooks, you can do stuff like this all the time. You can draw whatever you want on there. If you want to just draw circles, just practice circles, you can do that. You can do anything on these. Now, what I often use them for is just drawing people, because that's just my favorite thing to draw. So I'm just drawing a guy over here on the left. Let's see. Back to sketchbooking. They are useful things that you can have where you can learn different things about how to draw. Not so much from them themselves, but like from your use of them. Sketchbooks are incredibly useful things. I can't think of anything else to say about them, honestly. See, the problem is that I don't really draw while talking. And your brain does not want to work with you when you're doing stuff like that. I want his hair to be kind of a swooped over look, because I think that looks pretty good. Alright, let's smudge out that area right there so it looks a little better. How are we looking? We're looking pretty good. Art takes time.
That's something you'll learn the longer you do art.
Another thing that I've learned over time is that
it actually takes a lot of effort to draw well.
not always, of course. There's always exceptions to this rule. You just have to keep working at it. But it's okay to work on them for a bit longer than you might normally to make it better than you normally would. The more time you give an idea, the better it'll be in the end. The reason why I say this is because I've been doing this drawing for, both of these drawings for about 6 minutes now. And it's looking better the longer I do it. Whenever you're using a mechanical pencil, you have to use different methods.
I think that looks a bit better.
Yeah, lots of stuff. There we go. What people often get wrong about sketchbooks is that they think they should be perfect.
Sketchbooks should not be perfect.
If your sketchbook is perfect, you should go mess it up.
Right now.
Like this would be really loose. It kind of looks like feathers. There. She's turning more into a bug lady with every second. anatomy of insects is rather poor. That looks more like wings. There we go. How bad does that look?
Pretty bad.
That's okay. Like, I can see that this wing is really off. Like, it's really wonky. So I'll just go in and change it. It's a nice thing about using pencil. Something that you lose when you start to use pens again. Which, again, there's nothing wrong with pens. Let's see. It's alright. Could be better. Let's give it some more shading to make it look a little better. There we go. Head is way too, or the neck I should say, is way too long. There we go. It's kind of look like pigtails. I don't really want them to look like pigtails.
Yeah, I'm gonna redraw the head.
Just because I can. Yeah, it's not gonna look as good as it was if I had drawn it originally like that, but that's okay. It's a sketchbook. That's what it's for. There. Looks better. Looks better already. There we go. Turn it into more of an actual human here. Thinking that's what I'll do with her. Because again, sketchbooking is all about doing drawings that help you get better at drawing. And it doesn't always have to be a masterpiece like this.
I don't think personally it's very good.
I think it's okay, but I don't think it's great. Like, what is going on with these hands? Just like, what's going on here? I want to add a lot more of these rounded bits here. Get some more texture. There we go. I think that looks pretty good for what it is. I don't really need to add a face to this one. Part of the fun about sketching is that it doesn't matter too much what it ends up looking like. Because again, you don't need to share this with anyone. I mean, I am, just because I want to help you out. You can have a sketchbook where you just do stuff for yourself. Let's go for a face, but we're just drawing with just like a random shape, okay? So just kind of wiggle the hand around till we arrive at a shape. And then see what we can see out of that.
Seeing kind of an eye placement here. I think that's a good spot for that. There we go. Follow our little pattern for eyes that I do all the time.
And then over here we have a nose. I have some hair. That is looking real weird. Let's fix that eyeball. Now there's all kinds of stuff that you can do with the eyes that makes it look more or less sad. It looks a little bit better. There you go. Let's get some shading on that nose.
It's just a sketch.
You don't need it to be perfect.
And then let's draw some feet. There we go. I think we're almost done with him.
think we're done for now. Just wanted to do a quick run through, show you how they all turned out a little bit closer up. Alrighty. I hope you learned something. Hope it was fun. And I hope you have a great day. Alright. This is Graphite Forest signing off.
Da, 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 da.